Yes, everyone, good morning. So, online students, guys, if it is loud and clear, just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Yes, online students, hope it is loud and clear to all. Yes. Yeah, I can see some of you. Guys, just let me know in the chat box and we can start. Lalit Chaudhary is saying, yes, sir, it is clear. Karthikeyan is saying it is clear. All right. So, guys, let's start today's class. Today we have an important topic with us, which is time and work. But before that, let me do some marketing, right? So here, we have some free classes for CSAT. Yes, guys, this is the study material that we follow, and this is the test series that is already running, and it is going to be started once again in the month of. Every month we'll be starting next batch. So you may join the fresh batch whenever you want to join, right? And after that, these are the groups and the Telegram channel for the updates and doubt discussions. So you may join them also. And after that, these are some recorded programs which are already running over the website, right? You may check it out and you may take the admissions. Anyways, guys, today's topic is time and work. Friends, time and work is actually a simple topic yet a logical topic, right? Here we will be using the approach of LCM. LCM is least common multiple that you all must be knowing about it. And you may expect one or two questions from this topic because time and work is a topic and pipes and cistern, this is the continuation of this topic, right? So time and work and pipes and cistern, these two are the connected topic to each other. So from these two topics, you may expect one or two questions in the examination, right? And during the course of this topic, I will be telling you the questions that have been asked in the past years and how the questions are being, what is the criteria of UPSC of asking questions, right? So this time they have asked one question based on data sufficiency. And guys, now UPSC have slightly changed the method of asking the question. Instead of direct asking the question, they are asking the questions based on some data sufficiency concept, right? Whether the first statement is sufficient to answer this question or the second statement is sufficient to answer this question, or the question will be solved or not, right? Anyways, so guys, here the approach that we are going to use is LCM approach, right? And let's talk about the questions. So the first question is, the question number 1 says, if A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same piece of work in 15 days, in how many days both of them working together can finish that work? All right? If A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 15 days, in how many days working together they can finish that work, right? So friends, what is the process? So let me talk about the process of these type of questions. Come fast. Yes. So everyone, let me talk about the process. Question is saying A can complete a piece of work in 10 days, right? And B does the same work in 15 days, right? So everybody here, we will assume the LCM of 10 and 15, right? What is the LCM of 10 and 15? 30. Everyone, do you know the LCM of 10 and 15 is 30? All of you, right? So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30, right? So just assume the LCM as the entire work, right? Everyone, LCM will be considered as the total work, right? The total work, let us assume the total work is 30 units. Everybody clear? So just read these numbers, take the LCM of these numbers and assume that the LCM as the entire work or the total work, right? So guys, here the total work is 30 units. Correct, everybody? Now, if A can do 30 units work in 10 days, everyone, if A can do 30 units work in 10 days, which means in one day he is doing 3 units of the work, right? Okay. All right. What about B, guys? 2 units per day? Okay. Right? Now, just think on it. A can do 3 units work per day, B can do 2 units work per day when they are working together, right? When they are working together, then they will be doing 3 plus 2, 5 units work in one day. Everyone, yes or no? Right. The question is asking in how many days they are working together will be finishing that work, right? So total work is what? 30, and they can do 5 units work in one day, right? So for 30 units work, they will take 30 by 5, 6 days, right? So working together, they can finish that work in 6 days, right? Everybody? Friends, any doubt, any confusion? Okay, those who have come late, let me explain it once again. So guys, here, just read the question. The question says, A does a piece of work in 10 days and B does the same piece of work in 15 days. In how many days both of them working together will complete that work, right? So just look at these numbers, alright? A can do the piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. Just take the LCM of 10 and 15, right, which is 30. So that LCM will be considered as the total work, right? So let us assume that the total work is 30 units, fine. Now if A can do 30 units in 10 days, it means in one day he is doing 3 units work. Similarly, B is doing 2 units work in one day. Guys, it is clear? When both of them working together, they will be doing 3 plus 2, 5 units work in one day, right? And the question is saying in how many days working together they can finish the total work. So 30 divided by 5, which is 6 days. Guys, it is clear? Anyone? Any confusion? Any doubt? No? Please note it down, right? And after that, let's move to the next question. Huh? Huh? Yes. 3 and 2 efficiency. Yes. Any other doubt? It's clear, everyone? Huh? Okay. Okay. Chaliye. All right. Yes, friends, any doubt? Any confusion? Any one of you? Comfortable? Okay. Note कर लिया हो तो मुझे बताइए. Shall we? We can move to the next question. Okay. And those who are sitting online. Everyone? Done? Okay. All right. So everybody, shall we move to the next question? Huh? Okay. ठीक है. Guys, let's move to the next question. The next question is saying, next question is almost similar to the last one. Can you solve this question? एक बार करिए जरा. If you can solve it, it is good. Else, I'll help you out. Just try this question, guys, on your own if you can solve it. Yes, all of you. Just try this question. And don't use pen, guys. थोड़ी देर के लिए put down your pens, all of you. Everyone, just put down your pens. A, 8 hours. B, 10 hours, right? In how many hours both of them will together complete that work? What is the LCM of 8 and 10? 40. ठीक है. So A will be doing 5 units in 1 hour. B will be doing 4 units in 1 hour. Working together 5 plus 4? 9. So 40 by 9. If together they will be working on that project, then they will be finishing that work in 40 by 9 hours. Guys, okay, right? So just by looking at the question, you can tell the answer. Now you please write it down. Yes, आप लिख भी लीजिए, ठीक है? पहले क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होना चाहिए, देन आप उसको लिखिए कॉपी पे, ओके? यस, ओके.
सर इसमें टाइम 8 आवर पूछा, उसमें 10 आवर, इसमें टाइम की बात की गई है और वैसे वर्क की बात कर रहे थे, तो टाइम के हिसाब से निकालेंगे या वर्क के हिसाब से निकालेंगे?
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर क्वेश्चन, फिर से बोलिए एक बार.
सर वर्क होता है एफिशिएंसी को.
हाँ.
टाइम ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर।
देखिए जैसे टोटल वर्क को आपने 40 यूनिट्स कंसीडर कर लिया, ठीक है। अब जो ए है, ए 40 यूनिट्स करता है 8 आवर्स में, तो 1 घंटे में वो 5 यूनिट्स परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। बी जो है वो 1 आवर में 4 यूनिट्स कर रहे हैं, राइट। अब जब दोनों अगर मिलके काम करेंगे तो 1 घंटे में 5 + 4 9 यूनिट्स हो जाएगा, ठीक। अब करना कितना है टोटल 40 यूनिट्स ही करना है उनको, तो 40 यूनिट्स करने में 9 + 9 + 9 4 पूरा।
वो तो देखिए हावर दे रखा है, यहाँ पे वो वर्क का लास्ट टाइम क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पे टाइम का दे रखा है।
उसमें डेज था, उसमें जो टाइम की बात करें तो डेज था, इसमें टाइम आवर्स है, बस इतनी सी बात है, राइट।
वो वर्क कंसीडर करना
ऑब्वियसली, ठीक है। उसमें जो टाइम का यूनिट था दैट वाज डेज एंड हियर इट इज आवर, दैट्स इट, राइट। यस, एवरीवन फाइन नाउ? Okay, shall we move guys to the next question? Huh? What is the answer for this? This is 40/9. सभी का आगे है? ठीक है, ठीक है। A is what? 8, B is what? 10, and this time they are giving in hours. So this is 40, this is 5, this is 4. So 40 divided by 5 plus 4 when they are working together. So this is 40/9 hours, or you can say 4/9 hours. Guys, is it fine? Right? Everybody fine now? ठीक है? Okay. Anyone any doubt, any confusion? Done? Comfortable? Shall we move? Okay. Now the next question. Guys, इसको जरा आप मुझे बताएं. Just read this question. The question is saying A can do a piece of work in 10 days, right? अभी करेंगे नहीं, अभी just read that question. Everyone put down your pens. Don't solve it, right? We are not here for question answer session. So don't solve it. Just improve your thinking process, thought process, right? Question is saying A does a piece of work in 10 days, B does the same piece of work in 20 days, right? They started together and after 2 days, A left, right? All of you, just put down your pens. Just listen to me guys, right? Just think on it. When you are reading the question, you should be processing it simultaneously. Because if you want to increase your speed, right? So without using pen, your mind started working, right? अभी क्या होता है हमारे साथ दिक्कत ये है कि हम जब पेन उठाते हैं उसके बाद हमारा दिमाग चलना शुरू होता है। ये बहुत ही रिवर्स अप्रोच है, right? Instead your brain should be directing your hand, right? Anyways, guys, मुझे बस इतना बताइए, when you are reading the first statement like this till here, ठीक, what you can conclude from this first statement? Yep. Everyone, from this first statement, what you can conclude? हाँ?
मतलब जो एक जितना काम करता है B का आधा करता है।
Okay. Anyone else?
B does the work when it takes more time.
What?
B to do the same.
B is taking the more time. That is fine. That is written in the question. What you can conclude? I mean, जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है वो तो ठीक है, आप उससे क्या निकाल पा रहे हैं मुझे ये बता दीजिए। टोटल वर्क इज 20, दैट इज फाइन, मैं उसकी बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट से आप क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाल पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज द थिंग इज यूपीएससी गिव्स दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट, वो स्टेटमेंट 1 देंगे, स्टेटमेंट 2 देंगे, ठीक? तो इसलिए स्टेटमेंट, अगर ये एक स्टेटमेंट हो सपोज दैट, तो इससे आप क्या डिराइव कर पा रहे हैं मुझे ये बता दीजिए। मुझे देखिए क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन अभी आपको मैं बोलूँगा सॉल्व करो, आप 2 मिनट लोगे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा, बट सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन इज नॉट द पर्पस, वो तो हो ही जाएगा। इट इज़ बेसिक न्यूमरेसी टिल 10th स्टैंडर्ड लेवल। ऑब्वियसली टाइम एंड वर्क आपने कब पढ़ा होगा, व्हेन यू वर इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड आई गेस, और 9th स्टैंडर्ड, राइट? सो सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, 8th क्लास का बच्चा भी सॉल्व कर देगा, राइट? बट हाउ यूपीएससी विल बी आस्किंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक, दैट यू हैव टू थिंक। यस एवरीवन, मुझे बताइए फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 व्हाट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व और व्हाट यू कैन कंक्लूड, व्हाट यू कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट। अक्रम, यस, ओके, अयान, ओके, सी ऑल ऑफ यू, ठीक है, समहाउ यू आर राइट। मुझे एक बात बताइए, हियर A does a piece of work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 20 days, which means A is twice efficient as A. Sorry, A is twice efficient as B. Everyone, yes or no? Think on it, friends. A is taking half the time than B, actually. It means A is twice efficient than B. Yes or no, guys? It's clear? ये बात आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आती है कि नहीं आती? ठीक है? देखिए, पहले इस क्वेश्चन को थॉट प्रोसेस से सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके बाद इसको लिख के सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ठीक, प्रोसेस से. Just tell me one thing, guys. A and B are working on a project where A is double efficient than B. First 2 days, both of them are working together, right? Now guys, if 2 days both of them are working together, so in first 2 days, B will be doing 2 days work of B, but A will be doing 4 days of work of B. Think on it. If 2 days A and B are working together, so in those 2 days, A will be doing 4 days work of B and B will be doing 2 days work of B, yes or no? So in those 2 days, 6 days of work of B will be finished. Yes or no? In first 2 days, 6 days of work of B will be finished. Yes or no? And after that, A left. Now B has to complete the remaining work. B is doing the total work in 20 days. First 6 days is already over. How many more days? 14 is the answer. Getting it, everyone? Right? So just while reading the question, you can solve it. Right? देखिए, प्रोसेस से तो हम करेंगे ही, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन एग्जाम में जितना टाइम आप सेव कर सकते हैं आप करिए. राइट? जितना भी टाइम जैसे भी बचा सकते हैं बचा लीजिए. ओके? तो ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं जिनको आप सिर्फ थॉट प्रोसेस से करेंगे और अभी करेंगे इसी क्लास में. राइट? जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट द क्वेश्चन यू विल टेल मी द आंसर. ओके? एनीवेज गाइस, फ्रॉम द प्रोसेस आई विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. अभी आपको ये क्लियर हुआ द आंसर विल बी 14 डेज. Okay, now from the process, just look at this, guys. A can do the piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. So LCM is 20. This is what? This is 2, this is 1. Correct? Right? Now first 2 days A and B are working together. So first 2 days A and B are working together, so they are doing 6 units work. Right. Now remaining work will be what? This is 20 minus 6, 14 units. Now who is doing remaining work? B. So 14 by 1, this is. In next 14 days, the remaining work will be finished. Guys, in these type of questions, you please observe one more thing. Here, the question is talking about the remaining work, right? So the answer is 14. If the question is asking the total work, then the answer would be 16. Everyone, yes or no? Why? Because if the total work, like first 2 days they have worked together now, that will be also calculated. So if the question is asking in how many days the total work will be finished, then the answer is 16. And in how many days the remaining work will be finished, the answer will be 14. Guys, it is clear? Right? Please note it down.
So how will total work will be 16?
ये वाला दो जो फर्स्ट 2 डेज जो किया वो भी तो कैलकुलेट होगा ना. टोटल वर्क का मतलब पूरा काम खत्म होने में कितना टाइम लगा. ये तो सिर्फ रिमेनिंग वर्क को खत्म करने में टाइम लगा है जो रह गया था, और इसके पहले जो हुआ था 2 दिन में. राइट? Yes, everyone? Guys, any doubt, any query, any confusion? It is fine now.
बी को 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा काम करवा दो.
क्या?
बी को 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा काम करवा दीजिए. तो
हाँ. तो
ए 2 दिन पहले चला गया.
A 2 दिन पहले चला गया. वो उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पे आएंगे अभी हमारे. राइट? अभी शुरू करिए, आते हैं उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पे. Yes, everybody fine now, right? Guys, it is fine. Now, I'll give you one more question where I'm expecting you guys to think the question directly without writing it. Fine. So just ठीक है, let's try. ये हो गया हो तो मैं इसको हटाऊं? All of you? अभी कर रहे हैं? जल्दी कर लीजिए. अच्छा ठीक है. Yes, everyone, fine now? Shall we move? Yes, Nicholas, is it clear? Okay, all right. ठीक है, चलिए. So let's move to the next question, friends. ठीक है, ये आप मुझे ऐसे ही बताइए. All of you, just tell me the answer so by looking at the question. Yeah. करना नहीं है. That is okay. मुझे इसका फाइनल आंसर दीजिए. Don't write anything. Nobody will use the pen. No, please. Put down your pens.
So 6.
Question is, what part of the same work? What part? Like 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 11, something like that.
3.
आपका आंसर सही है. 1/6 होगा actually. Getting it? 1/6 part of the total work they will be doing in one. Yeah. Yes, everybody. What is the answer? The answer is 1/6. Guys, yes or no? Huh? Right? 3 by 18 would be the answer, which is 1 by 6. All of you clear now? देखिए. Question is saying A can finish a piece of work in 18 days and B is taking half the time. It means B is taking 9 days. Right? All of you? Guys, B is taking half the time. Half the time means what? 9 days. Correct? What is the LCM? 18. So this is 1 and this is 2. Fine. So when A and B are working together, they will be doing 1 plus 2, which is 3 units work in 1 day. Right? Question is, what part of the total work they will be doing in 1 day? So this is 1/6. Right? Everyone, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is 1/6 part of the total work. Right? Friends, any doubt? Is it clear? Right? So these are the questions. आप पेन मत चलाइए जब बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाए. पेन कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है? When the calculation comes. Right? Which you are not able to do orally or mentally. Then only use the pen. Okay?
Yeah, why are you only taking divide by 18? Why are you not taking 27 because 18%?
I'm not getting your question. Once again, please.
So, where we are for the part of the work we are doing 3 by 18.
See, in how many days they will be finishing the total work? 6 days? 6 days, right? Because they are doing 3 units work in 1 day. So for entire work, they will be taking 6 days actually, right? So question is saying in 1 day, what fraction of the total work they are doing? So in 1 day, they are doing 1/6 of the total work, correct? Yes, everybody clear now?
But so why we have not taken LCM of 18?
LCM we have already taken, yaar, 18 and 9. LCM like what happened, Pandey ji? ठीक है? चलिए. Guys, it is clear now. Friends, any doubt? ठीक है, हो गया. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. चलिए, ठीक है. After that, let's move to the next question. इसको आप करके मुझे ऐसे बता दीजिए. Here we have 3 workers actually, right? एक बार जरा करिए and tell me the answer. This time you tell the answer. I'm expecting the answer from you guys.
24 by 7.
24.
Very good यार. बहुत बढ़िया. कर लीजिए. अब कर लीजिए प्लीज. देखिए एवरीवन प्लीज सबसे पहले ना आपका नाम क्या है? आदर्श। आदर्श आप भी हैं? आदर्श पीछे भी बैठे हुए हैं। ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। देखिए फ्रेंड्स, एलसीएम अगर आपको जल्दी निकालना है तो आप क्या करें, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। जैसे 24, 6 and 12, you have to find the LCM, right? So just take the biggest number, the biggest term, right? The biggest term is 24, right? अगर आप LCM 24 लेते हैं तो 24 इसका मल्टीपल है और इसका भी मल्टीपल है, तो LCM 24 है यहाँ। Just look at them and take the LCM. Now, if suppose that the numbers are different, 15 and 30, 15 and 10 suppose that, right? So just take the biggest number and take the multiples of this number. 15 into 1 is 15. 15 is not the LCM of these two numbers. 15 into 2 is 30. Is 30 is the LCM of these two numbers? Yes. Okay. Right. Suppose that 15 and 20. Now guys, 20 is the biggest term. Right. 20 into 1 is not the LCM. 20 into 2 is not the LCM. 20 into 3, 60. 60 is the LCM. Yes. 60 is the LCM. Right. आप जैसे जैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, फास्ट हो जाएगा। ठीक है? ओके, एवरीवन फाइन नाउ। अब देखिए, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग A 24, B 6, C 12, right? Days. So this is what? This is 4. No, sorry. LCM is 24. No, I'm sorry, guys. LCM is 24. So this is 1, this is 4, and this is 2, right? So when all of them are working together, so 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is 7, right? The entire work is 24. So this is 24 by 7. Correct, everybody? Right? Okay. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Done? All of you? Friends, any doubt? Done? Okay. यादव जी ठीक है? हाँ। ठीक है। ओके, आगे बढ़े हम लोग। आपका नाम क्या है? राहुल। ठीक है, आगे बढ़े हम लोग। ठीक है। फ्रेंड्स, मुझे ये बताइए, एक बार जरा इस क्वेश्चन को देखिए। इसको मैं नहीं करूंगा और आप भी नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन we will have to think about it. Fine? Just put down your pens. And we can solve one question with several methods. Right? मुझे ये बताइए जरा, मैं एक बार क्वेश्चन की समरी आपके सामने लिख देता हूँ। Just writing the summary of the question. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. B can do the same piece of work in how many days? 15. And A and B started the work together, right? For how many days they worked on it? 6 days. ठीक है, चलो की। For 6 days they worked on it. And after that B was replaced by another worker C. And in next 4 days the work was finished. Right? Just read the question. Okay, this is the summary, guys. Huh? Yes, everybody, this is the summary of the entire question. Right? Okay. Now, I won't be solving this question with the method, right? I'll be solving this question from the thinking first, and then we'll be using the normal process, right? मुझे एक बात बताइए, everyone. Here, A can do the entire work in how many days? 20 days. A worked on that project for how many days?
10 days.
A worked on it for 10 days continuously. 6 days he worked with A, and 4 days he worked with C. Sorry, 6 days he worked with B, and then C. Right? A worked continuously for 10 days on this project. Yes or no? मुझे एक बात बताइए. If in 20 days he can finish the entire work, in 10 days he will do the 50% work. Yes or no? Right? So 50% of the entire work was finished by A only. Guys, what about B? B can do the entire work in 15 days. For 6 days he worked on it. It means 6 by 15 work he has performed. 6 by 15 is what? 2 by 5. Guys, 2 by 5. 1 by 5 is what in terms of percentage? 1 by 5, 20. 2 by 5 will be what? 40, double of that, right? So B worked 40% of that work alone. A worked 50%, B worked 40%. 90% work has been done. What is left? 10%. 10% was done by C in how many days? 4 days. It means for 100% work, C will take 40 days. Guys, it is clear, right? उस पे भी करते हैं, उस पे आते हैं उस पे. Guys, it is clear. So just by reading the question, you know, when your thought process has been developed, while reading the question, you can solve the entire question. आपको कुछ लिखना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. आप सिर्फ पढ़ते जाएंगे और क्वेश्चन खत्म है, फाइनल आप क्लिक करेंगे बस, हो गया, right? And that is what something which is required in the competitive examination, because there the time is very limited, right? आप जितना टाइम सेव कर सकते हैं करिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कहीं ना कहीं काम आएगा वो, right? Okay. Anyways, guys, it is clear. After that, let me talk the conventional method also. So, guys, I'm changing a different, I'm using a different color pen here. So, A is what? 20. B is 15. The LCM is what? 60. This is what? 3. This is 2. Sorry, 4. I'm sorry, guys. This is 4. First 6 days they have worked together. So, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 into 6. Sorry, into 6. So, this is 42. So, 42 units they have worked in first 6 days. What is left? 60 minus 42, which is 18 units is left. 18 unit was done in how many days? 18 units was finished in next 4 days. Which means in next 4 days, every day 4.5 units must be done. Right? I'm talking about the last 4 days. In last 4 days, every day 4.5 units work was done. Correct, everybody? Right. And in last 4 days, who were the workers? A and C. Where A can perform 3 units work in 1 day. So 3 plus C is 4.5. So C is equal to 1.5. So C must be doing 1.5 units of work in 1 day. Right? For entire work, he is taking 60 by 1.5, which is 40 days. Guys, it is clear? So please note it down. Yeah. Questions are already given in the book, right? हाँ, विशाल, यार ये वाला zoom नहीं होगा. You know friends, I want you guys to solve this question like this in the examination. ठीक है? और ये आपके नोट्स के लिए, और अपने नोट्स में आप ये चीज़ भी मेंशन करिए, राइट? अपने नोट्स में ये थॉट प्रोसेस भी मेंशन करिए, ठीक है? क्योंकि योर पेपर विल बी कम्प्लीटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप, राइट? तो योर OMR विल बी चेक्ड थ्रू अ मशीन. Nobody will be like asking कि आपने क्वेश्चन कैसे किया, and nobody is there to read your entire thing, right? किसी को कोई मतलब नहीं है. मशीन आपका बस आपने C की जगह C मार्क किया है तो ठीक है. अब वो आपने कैसे किया है, it's up to you only, right? तो it's better to solve this question like this, right? कोई आपका मेथड देखने नहीं आ रहा है. दोबारा से बताऊं? ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है कि आप सोचिए कि जो A है, A कैन फिनिश द टोटल वर्क इन 20 days. So for first 6 days he worked with B and next 4 days he worked with C. So total continuously 10 days he worked on it. So in 20 days he can finish the entire work. So in 10 days he will do 50% of the entire project, right? After that, just talk about B. B have worked on it for 6 days. In 15 days he can finish the entire work. So in 6 days he will be doing 6 by 15 of the total work, which is 40%, right? So B will be doing 40% of the total work. So A has done 50, B has doing 40. Total 90% work has been done by these two workers. So C must be doing the remaining work, which is 10%. And for that 10% he took 4 days. So for 100% he will be taking 40 days. Right? Everybody it is clear? Right? तो इसको भी लिख लीजिए. Right? ये thought process भी आप note कर लीजिए. And you please try to think logically while reading the question. Right? Questions करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले आपका thought process develop होना चाहिए guys. Your thought process is very important. Right? Yes guys, any other doubt? Those who are sitting online, friends, any other doubt, any confusion, any query? Right? Yes, what's your name? I forgot your name.
सर आदित्य.
आदित्य. ठीक लग रहा है सर? मजा आ रहा है? हाँ. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़े हम लोग गाइस. हाँ, आगे बढ़े. Alright, चलिए. After that, yes everyone. Yes guys, आप मुझे बताइए हाउ यू विल स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. कैसे करेंगे अप्रोच? मैं आंसर नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, कुछ नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. व्हाट विल बी योर अप्रोच? अरुण, कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं आप? नो? ठीक है. हाँ, टोटल यूनिट 5 मान लेंगे. नहीं, गलत हो जाएगा. राहुल, कैसे शुरू करें? एलसीएम तो ठीक है, बट कैसे? मतलब क्या क्या लेना पड़ेगा? 5 and 3. 5 पे क्या लिखेंगे? देखिए, यस ठीक है गाइस. सबसे पहले मैन एंड मैन प्लस सन, यही है ना क्वेश्चन? ठीक है. सो मैन इज 5, मैन प्लस सन इज 3, एलसीएम इज 15. करेक्ट? राइट? मैन alone is doing 3 units work, 3 units work in one day, yeah. And man plus son are doing 5 units work in one day. Guys, is it clear? Man alone is doing 3 units work in one day. Man plus son are doing 5 units work in one day. If you put the value of man over here, you will get son is doing 2 units work per day. Total work is 15. 7.5 is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Right? अब नोट करिए प्लीज. ठीक है. देखिए, मैं आपको यही बता रहा हूँ फ्रेंड्स कि आपको ये चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट कैसे करना है. तो आप बस इतना बोल दीजिए कि मैन एंड मैन प्लस सन. आई विल गेट द जिस्ट कि आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं. राइट? इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? एनी डाउट, एनी कंफ्यूजन? नो? ठीक है. Yes everyone, fine now?
2 यूनिट है ना, 2 यूनिट काम करेगा.
2 यूनिट जो सन है ना, वो एक दिन में 2 यूनिट कर पा रहा है. ठीक. ये जितना भी निकलेगा सारा यूनिट ही है. ये और ये सारा यूनिट, और ये डेज है. ठीक. हाँ, वो टोटल वर्क है. वो भी यूनिट है, टोटल वर्क. राइट? यस, ऑल ऑफ यू फाइन नाउ? गाइज, एनी डाउट? Shall we move to the next question? Aditya, ठीक है? Okay. Again the simple question. इस बार आप मुझे ऐसे ही बताइए. Everyone, don't write anything. Solve this question like this. Yes. Everyone put down pens. Solve this question. Tell me the answer. What's the answer? 6. Okay. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 6. Can you confirm that answer? Huh? 6? Okay. Nicholas? Okay, don't worry. Aditya? 6? Okay. 6? 6? Okay. Guys, here the question is saying A and B together can do the work in 4 days. Okay? And A alone in 12. The LCM is 12. This is 3. This is 1. ठीक है आपका आंसर. Yes. A plus B in 3. A is 1. If you put the value of A over here, you will get B is equal to 2. The question is saying in how many days B can finish the total work. So this is 12 by 2. The answer is 6. ठीक है, good. Congratulations. Right? Okay. So just by looking at the question should be solved. Right? And guys, मैं आपको एक बात और बता देता हूँ. आप लोग पहले इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करिए. ठीक? और एग्जामिनेशन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस को बिना लिखे हुए सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. और जो जो आपके सॉल्व होते जाएं, उनको आप करते चले जाइए शुरू के 10-15 मिनट में. जितने मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आपके हो जाएं कर दीजिए. आप समझ रहे हैं? मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आपके सारे क्वेश्चन बिना लिखे सॉल्व होंगे. नो. लेकिन बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं शुरू के 15 मिनट में 80 में से कम 12-13 क्वेश्चन आपके ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाएं. और आपको पता है 15 मिनट में अगर आपके 12 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गए गाइस, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कहाँ पहुँचेगा. और एक वो व्यक्ति जिसने पहले क्वेश्चन से करना शुरू किया, हो सकता है पहला क्वेश्चन उसने ट्राई किया नहीं सॉल्व हुआ, दूसरा क्वेश्चन ट्राई किया नहीं सॉल्व हुआ, तीसरा सॉल्व किया हो गया या नहीं हुआ, बात की बात. तो इस चीज़ को समझिए कि शुरू के 15 मिनट में एक व्यक्ति वो है जिसका एक भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, और एक आप हैं जो 12-13 क्वेश्चन करके बैठे हुए. राइट? ओके, जस्ट लुक एट द डिफरेंस. ऑल राइट? यस, एवरीवन फाइन नाउ? ठीक है, आगे बढ़े हम लोग. हाँ, चलिए. आफ्टर दैट गाइस, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखिए, पहले मुझे बताइए आप इस क्वेश्चन को अप्रोच कैसे करेंगे. हाउ टू स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. यस एवरीवन, डोंट राइट एनीथिंग, जस्ट लुक एट द क्वेश्चन एंड मुझे बताइए कि क्या करना है. एंड स्पीक प्लीज. वॉट एवर यू से, बी इट राइट बी इट रॉन्ग, बट प्लीज स्पीक समथिंग. या
परसेंटेज वाइज करेंगे कि 80% वर्क ए कर देगा, रिमेनिंग 20% वर्क बी करेगा.
रिमेनिंग 20% बी कहाँ कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, मतलब रिमेनिंग 20% में ए और बी फिर दोनों करेंगे.
अच्छा ठीक है.
उसकी एफिशिएंसी निकाल लें, फिर उससे माइनस करेंगे, बी का होता है.
Yes, हाँ जी. Yes, anything else? Anything else, guys? देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ यहाँ पे. अच्छा, आप कुछ कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश कर पा रहे हैं, लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन इज कनेक्टेड टू द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन इन एनी मैनर. कोई कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश कर पा रहे हैं? आर यू एबल टू एस्टैब्लिश अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन दिस क्वेश्चन एंड द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन? एनीथिंग? ओके ओके, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. आफ्टर दैट हाँ
ज्वाइन करेंगे तो 1 माइनस 1/5.
हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड, विच इज़ 1/5. ये भी बात सही है आपकी. गाइस, वैसे व्हाट ही सेइंग इज परफेक्टली राइट. आप इस बात को समझिए एवरीवन. Whatever is given here is given for the remaining work. ये बात आप समझ पा रहे हैं कि नहीं? 4/5 is already done, right? मुझे ये बताइए how you will start it. How you will start it? For remaining work, the remaining work is 1/5, right? How you will start it, guys?
Total work we can get.
What's your name first?
Kamal.
Kamal, yeah, Kamal.
Sir, we take LCM 20 and 360.
What?
LCM common.
LCM of
20 and 3 days. Total.
20 and 3.
Yes, sir. Total is.
नहीं, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, रुक जाइए.
सर
आप थोड़ा बैठिए थोड़ी देर.
पहले टोटल वर्क निकालना होगा.
टोटल वर्क निकाल के क्या करेंगे? टोटल वर्क तो वैसे भी एलसीएम हो जाएगा. कहाँ किसका एलसीएम लगे ये बताइए.
सर पहले 4/5 वर्ष को जो मतलब ये जो काम कर रहा है उसको कन्वर्ट करना होगा, मतलब उसमें उसके फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा उसको चेंज करके.
किसमें चेंज करेंगे? किसमें चेंज करेंगे? कह रहे उसको उसमें चेंज करेंगे. अब उसमें क्या है, किसमें चेंज करेंगे?
आप ही बता.
नहीं, मैं तो बता ही दूंगा. देखिए एवरीवन, पता है क्या होता है कि हम जो है ना एग्जाम में ऐसे रैंडम कुछ कुछ करते चले जाते हैं, राइट? और मैं आपको बता दूं, जब तक आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर नहीं है, क्वेश्चन मत अटेम्प्ट करिएगा. यू विल बी एंड अप विद वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, राइट? देखिए एक बात समझिए, एंड मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ गाइस, ये बहुत पुरानी स्टोरी है जो महाभारत में, राइट, महाभारत में जब द्रोणाचार्य अपने स्टूडेंट्स को आर्चरी में मास्टरी दे रहे थे, राइट, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, पेड़ पे एक डमी बर्ड बना के बिठा दी, राइट. अब उन्होंने कहा कि तुमको जो है इसकी आई को टारगेट करना है. याद है आप सभी को? ही कॉल्ड युधिष्ठिर फर्स्ट, राइट, बिकॉज ही वॉज द एल्डेस्ट. तो युधिष्ठिर से पूछा कि बताइए युधिष्ठिर आपको क्या दिख रहा है? तो युधिष्ठिर सेट कि मुझे पेड़ भी दिख रहा है, मुझे पत्ते भी दिख रहे हैं, मुझे जो है तना भी दिख रहा है. तो उन्होंने कहा आप रहने दें, आपसे नहीं होगा, राइट. ही देन कॉल दुर्योधना, ही देन कॉल भीम, एंड देन फाइनली जब अर्जुन का नंबर आया, अर्जुन सेट कि सर मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ चिड़िया की आँख दिखाई दे रही. ही सेट ओनली यू कैन डू दैट, जस्ट गो अहेड, राइट. मैं आपसे ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आप जो बोलते हैं ना, राइट, उससे बहुत चीज़ें क्लियर हो जाती हैं. और ये स्टोरी जितनी रिलेवेंट तब थी उतनी ही रिलेवेंट आज भी है, राइट. कि आप जो बताते हैं ना कि हम ये करेंगे, उससे मुझे क्लियर हो जाता है कि आप कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. राइट, ओके. बट मैं अपने आप को द्रोणाचार्य से कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज़. एनीवेज गाइस, देखिए ज़रा, सबसे पहले ये समझिए कि हियर 4/5 of the work was completed by A in 20 days, which means if A is continuing the project after 20 days alone, he will finish the entire work in how many days? ये बताइए. 25. Very good. If he can complete 4/5 of the work in 20 days, which means in 25 days anyways he will be finishing that work. Guys, yes or no? But for the remaining work he calls B, and both of them together finished that work in 3 days. So I'm just here talking about the remaining work, right guys? I'm just talking about the remaining work. This is all about the remaining work. Everyone, is it clear? Right? Fine. So 15 is the LCM. This is what? This is 3. This is 5. Right? Now friends, A is doing 3 units work in one day. A plus B together are doing 5 units in one day, which means B is doing 2 units in one day. आप देख रहे हैं, this is exactly the same question that we have solved earlier. आपको याद आ रहा है? Right? So, friends, मुझे एक बात बताइए. This is the data of remaining work. What is the remaining work, guys? The remaining work is 1/5, because 4/5 is already done. Right? So this is 1/5 of the entire work. Everybody, this is 1/5 of the total work. Right? So if 1/5 of the total work is 15 units, then total work is what? 75 units. And question is saying B can finish the entire work in how many days? 75 by 2, which is 37.5. Right, everyone? 37.5 days. Everybody okay? 75 by 2, which is 37.5 days. Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query?
सर
A
A का 5 कहाँ से आ गया?
का 5 कहाँ से आ गया? देखिए A जो है ना 25 दिन में पूरा करता है, ये अभी आपने बताया, ठीक? तो अगर A 25 दिन में पूरा करेगा तो एक दिन में कितना करेगा? राइट, क्लियर? यस।
इसमें सर x मान किसी में नहीं
अरे नहीं नहीं यार, तुम एक्स के पीछे क्यों पड़े रहते हो यार? मूव ऑन कर जाओ ना यार। क्या यार? यस, yes, everybody fine now? Shall we move? Kamal, it's clear? ठीक है, ओके, चलिए जरा आगे बढ़ते हैं। हटाऊं इसे? ठीक है, नोट कर लीजिए। अच्छा गाइस, एनी डाउट, एनी वन इन द क्लास, एनी कंफ्यूजन, एनी क्वेरी? ठीक है, ऑल राइट। ठीक है, निकोलस डन। आदित्य, आपका हो गया? हटाऊं से? यस गाइस, इसको देखिए, दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन, राइट? कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन एप्लीकेशन। यस गाइस, इसको आप करिए। आई वॉन्ट यू गाइस टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? करिए, टेक योर टाइम, बिकॉज दिस इज अ न्यू टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो टेक योर टाइम। अगर आप कर पाते हैं तो ठीक है, एल्स आई हेल्प यू आउट, ओके? यस, वन बाई 19। क्वेश्चन क्या है? फाइनल क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट क्या है? नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स, राइट? तो ये तो इंटीजर होगा एक, ठीक है, राइट? यस एवरीवन, वन 180 number of bricks. Okay, guys, I'm getting one answer as 180 bricks. 180, ठीक है? Yes everyone. Yes everyone. नहीं हो रहे? Any one of the class? No? राहुल कुछ करो यार. यस कमल ट्राई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है करिए. हाँ 50/16 क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? ओके 190 आ रहा है. ऑल राइट. श्रेया ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट हैज सेड सर इट इज 900. ऑल राइट. Shreya is saying, sir, it is 900. Okay. Yes, everyone, shall we discuss or you want some more time?
Please discuss.
Discuss kar rahe? Okay. Vivi, what about you? Discuss? All right. I just forgot your name. What's your name?
Vishali.
Vrishali, yeah. Vrishali, what's your answer this time? Discuss. Oh. Ayan, what about you? No? Okay. Pandey ji? नहीं हो रहा है, डिस्कस कर लिया, ठीक है. अजीब है तो रहने दें, अपने पास रखें आप. यस अकरम, व्हाट अबाउट यू? ठीक है. 900. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Just let us discuss this question now. ठीक है. So friends, the question is saying, I'm just changing a different color pen. The question is saying A and B together can build a wall in 9 hours. Sorry, A and B can build a wall in 9 hours and 10 hours. I'm sorry guys. 9 hours and 10 hours. ठीक है चलिए. This is 90 units. Fine. So this is 10 and this is 9. So all of you, when A and B will working together, they can actually do 19 units work per hour. ठीक है. But they are building the wall in 5 hours. So guys, to build the wall in 5 hours, they have to perform 18 units per hour. Yes or no? Right? Actually, they can do 19 units, but they are doing 18 units. It means, yes, they are doing 1 unit less per hour. Right? 1 unit less per hour. So 19 minus 18, 1 unit less per hour. Right? And question is saying they are using 10 less bricks per hour. So 1 unit is equal to 10 bricks. Then 90 units is equal to 900 bricks. Okay? So guys, 1 unit is equal to 10 bricks. So 90 units is equal to 90 into 10, which is 900 bricks. Guys, is it fine? Right? Any doubt? It's clear? Right? Okay, note it down please. So look at the question carefully. Right? Look at the question very carefully. Read the data. Yes, Ayan.
This kind I couldn't understand this. It's saying that for 1 unit they use 10 bricks less.
No. The question is saying they are actually using 10 less bricks, so they can build the wall in 5 hours. Ideally, if they are working with their own efficiency, they can build the wall less than 5 hours. Why? Because 90 by 19 will be less than 5 hours, because 19 into 5 is 95. 19 into 5 is 95. So in 5 hours, they can actually build 95 units. Correct? Okay? Yes. Guys, any other doubt? Any confusion? No? All right. Any other doubt? Kamal, it's fine now? Okay, good. Vishal? Good, very good. ठीक है, यादव जी अभी हो गया? तो पांडे जी जो अजीब था अभी सही हो गया? हाँ सही हो गया. ओके, चलिए. यस, शैल वी मूव नाउ? ठीक है, चलिए. आदित्य हटा दूँ इसे? अभी कर रहे हैं आप लोग? ओके, निकोलस डन. Done? All right. Vimi, आपका हो गया है? Shall I remove this? Huh? Okay. So guys, now, before that, I want you guys to solve the UPSC question, right? So guys, hope you have the book. If you don't have, then ठीक है, आज मैं आपको question बोल देता हूँ, आप लिख लीजिए. लिखिए जरा. Question number, see those who have the book, please go to page number 273, question number 2. Those who have the book, please go to page number 273, question number 2. Right? And here, you don't have to solve this question, you just have to read this question and tell the answer. Right? लिखिए. Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days. Ram and Shyam work together on a job for 4 days and complete 60 and complete 60% of it. Guys, सीधे लिखिए R plus S, 4 days, 60%. Right? R plus S, 4 days, 60%. Correct? After that, Ram takes leave. Ram takes leave. Ram भाग गया. ठीक? Ram takes leave. Then Shyam takes 8 more days to complete the work. Then Shyam takes 8 more days to complete the work. ठीक? Right. उसके बाद राम को लिख के क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दीजिए. In how many days Ram can finish the work? राम लिखिए, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दीजिए. आपको पता लग जाएगा कि राम can do the work in how many days. ठीक? हाँ, total work. Guys, I'm just putting the summary of the work. I mean summary of the question. Ram plus Shyam, 4 days, they are doing 60% of the work. And then for remaining work, then Ram leaves. Then remaining work, Shyam take 8 more days and the work finished. 8 more days to finish the work. ठीक? Question is, in how many days Ram can complete the work? Guys, this question was asked in CSAT 2016. Everyone, don't solve this question. Tell me the answer orally. Put down your pens, all of you. मुझे किसी का पेन नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Put down your pens. Just look at this question. The summary is written in front of you. Guys, just look at this question and tell me the answer. All of you, just look at this question, and those who are sitting online also, guys, just look at this question and tell me the answer. Yes, everyone put down your pens. Parul, answer बताइए आप. It's actually very simple, guys. 10. Yes, 10 is the right answer. करते रहिए आप लोग, कोई बात नहीं. 10 निकालने की कोशिश मत करिए, आप अपना करिए. ठीक है? आपका होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं होगा तो I'll explain. Don't worry. Yes, everyone, इधर देखिए, इधर देखिए. Guys, here the question is given in terms of percentage. So let's proceed with the percentage only. ठीक? मुझे एक बात बताइए. In 4 days, if 60%, 60 days नहीं, sorry, 60%, I'm sorry guys. ये 60 days लिखा हुआ है, 60% होगा, right? In 4 days, 60% work was done, which means in 1 day, 60 by 4, which is 15%. Yes. So Ram and Shyam working together can do 15% of the work in 1 day. Ram and Shyam working together can do 15% of the work in 1 day. Correct? After that, Shyam takes 8 more days to finish the work. Guys, 60% work was done. What is left? 40%. Shyam takes 40%. I mean, Shyam takes 8 days to complete 40%, which means 5% in 1 day. Shyam is doing 5% in one day. Ram and Shyam together are doing 15% in one day, which means Ram is doing 10% in one day. So if he is doing 10% in one day, 10 days to 100%. Right? If he is doing 10% in one day, then for 100% work, he will take 100 by 10, which is 10 days. Everybody, it is clear? Right? All right. So Ram plus Shyam are doing 15% work in one day, which means ये Shyam का है ना? So Ram plus 5, which is 15. This implies Ram is doing 10% work in one day. So for 100%, he will take 10 days. Guys, it is clear? Okay. तो आप देख रहे हैं ये क्वेश्चन जो है ना, जैसे देखिए आपके बीच में से ही अभी कुछ लोग हैं जो कि क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने लगे हैं इस टाइप से, आप भी करने लग जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, राइट? सो बस ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. और देखिए मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि सारे क्वेश्चन एक ही तरीके से होंगे, अब ये परसेंटेज अप्रोच है, सो वी आर यूजिंग परसेंटेज अप्रोच इन दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो एक्चुअली यू हैव टू थिंक लॉजिकली, आप सोचते जाइए, हो जाएगा वो, राइट? जस्ट हैव टू बी लॉजिकल. Everybody okay? Right? Okay. Now, yes, those who are sitting online, guys, is it clear? Everyone? Those who are sitting online, guys, is it clear? Arushi, Shreya, Ojas, Vara Telugu, Vasu. Okay, that's great. That's great, guys. That's great. Shall we move to the next question? Again, the UPSC question, right? This was CSAT 2016. Now, CSAT 2021. Shall I remove this, guys? Huh? Okay. Now, CSAT 2021. I'm just writing a symbolic form of the question, right? Don't write the entire question. This is question number 5 on your page number 273. Question is Question is A complete 7 by 8 of the work in 21 days. Right? After that, if the work increased by 50% in how many more days the work was finished? The work was finished. Okay, everyone? Just read the question, guys. You don't have to use pen, you just have to use logic and you have to tell the answer. Guys, put down your pens, all of you. Everyone, please put down your pens. Right? Question is saying A does 7 by 8 of the total work in 21 days. If the quantum of work is increased by 50%, then how many more days he will take though to finish the entire work, right? Suppose that, guys, बात को समझिए. जैसे मान लीजिए कि I have given you the task of writing 10 answers, suppose that, right? So you have started writing. Let's say you have written 5 answers and I have given you 2 more questions to write. Correct? Now, in what total time you will finish the total work? This is the question, right? So here the question is, in how many more days, after 21 days, how many more days will be required to finish the entire task? Correct, everybody? The question is done, right? Now, please try to solve the question. आप करेंगे कुछ नहीं, you just have to think and tell the answer. इसको देखते रहिए बस इसी तरह से, वो खत्म हो जाएगा, right? Yes. Everyone, कर दीजिए, कॉपी पे नहीं, दिमाग में. हाँ? More.
More days. 15
Okay, let me give you the options. जो एग्जाम में ऑप्शंस आए थे ना, ऑप्शंस आर 24, 21, 18, 15. Yes, everyone. What's the answer? Look at the options. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Yup. Akram. 15. Okay. 15. Okay. Rishali. Huh? Okay. Confused. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do it. Yup. Huh? Parul, you're saying something? 15. Okay. Good.
15.
Huh?
15.
15. Okay. Oh. No problem. No, don't worry. Yup. Aditya. No idea? Okay. Nicholas? No idea? Don't worry. Pandey ji? Ayan? No idea? Okay. Guys, मुझे ये बताइए 7/8 of the work, if you are doing in 21 days, then in how many days you can do the entire work?
24 days.
7/8 is equal to 21. Then what is the entire value? 24. So guys, it means A can do the entire work in 24 days. Fine. If work is increased by 50%, so which means 50% of the work he will be doing in 12 days. बताइए. Because total work he can do in 24 days. So 50% of the work he can do in 12 days. Right? So guys, 24 days में he can finish this work. So 3 days are left from here. And 12 more days the task has been assigned. So 3 plus 12? 15. 15 is the answer. Right? Clear? So this was the CSAT 2021 question, right? And 2021 CSAT was significantly tough, let me tell you. Right? Okay guys? So, I mean, questions will be solved, not a problem. Provided you should be able to think logically. आप ऑफिसर बनने जा रहे हैं guys, तो ऑफिसर वाला एटीट्यूड भी रखिए. राइट आप डेटा देखें और आपको समझ में आ जाए कि यस व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड दिस डेटा. राइट डोंट थिंक लाइक अ क्लर्क और लाइक अ लेमैन. नो, यू आर गोइंग टू कमांड द एंटायर सिटी, एंटायर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आप बात समझ रहे हैं? तो ऐसे वैसे के हाथ पे तो दे नहीं दिया जाएगा. राइट? एनीवेज guys, is it clear now? Anyone who want me to explain this question once again, let me tell you. Right? Okay. Shall you move? Nicholas, it is clear now? Aditya, it's fine? Okay. Vimi, it's clear? Vishali, अभी ठीक है? कहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो रहा था?
So I got confused where the work is increased by 50%.
हाँ हाँ.
I was taking 21 days.
अच्छा, okay. 21 days में, but not it is 100%. It is 7/8.
वहाँ पर सर 12 आना था, 12 ऑप्शन में नहीं था.
ठीक है, अभी क्लियर हो गया? ये अच्छा हुआ कि 12 ऑप्शन में नहीं था, नहीं तो आप गलत कर देते. बहुत सारे लोग गलत कर देते है ना? Yes. Guys, is it clear now? Shall we move? So this was CSAT 2021. Now guys, let's talk about this question which is written originally here, right? देखिए. This question is saying A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, A and C in 20 days, right? देखिए जरा. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, A and C or C and A in 20 days. All right. After that, in how many days A, B, C will be finished it working together and working separately, right? So guys, we have to find 4 values. The first value is A, B, C together will do the work in how many days. Second value is A working alone can do that work in how many days, B working alone can do that work in how many days, and C working alone can do that work in how many days. Correct? So here, what is the LCM of these 3 numbers? 60. This is what? 5, this is 4, this is 3. Everyone, just look at this side, the left side of the work, right? Here, A and B together can do 5 units work, B and C together can do 4 units work, C and A together can do 3 units work, right? Just look at this side only. Fine. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. If I add these 3 equations, you know what will happen? A twice, B twice, C twice, right? So this is 2 times A plus B plus C. Correct? And what is this? 12. So A plus B plus C is equal to what? 6. Guys, when all of them are working together, they are doing 6 units work in one day. And total work is what? 60. So working together, they will take 10 days to finish the work. Correct, everyone? The first question is solved, right? So working together, they will take 10 days to finish that work. This is question number 1, right? Just wait. This is question number 1. After that, question number 2. In how many days A can do that work? In how many days A can do that work? Correct? So all of you, you just think about that. You have to find A, right? And you have the value of B plus C. So put the value of B plus C here, right? So A plus 4 is equal to 6. A is equal to what? 2. So 60 by 2, 30. So A can do the entire work working alone in 30 days, guys. This is the answer of question number 2. Now, if you have to solve for B, then what you are going to put this A plus C. आपको B निकालना है ना? A plus C, 3. B का भी आ गया 3. So B will be 20. Yes. So B will be 20 days. And what about C, guys? C के लिए क्या करना है आपको? You have to put A plus B. So C is equal to 1. तो C का आ जाएगा 60 days. Everybody clear? 60 by 1, this is 60 only. ठीक है? Please note it down. Yeah. Okay. Guys, is it clear? Right? The simple question actually. Right? आप नोट कर लीजिए आराम से. ठीक है? यस गाइस, ठीक है. अभी एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको मैं दूं, आप करेंगे? हाँ, राइट? नोट कर लीजिए इसको अच्छे से. एंड देन आई विल गिव यू वन सच क्वेश्चन. यू प्लीज ट्राई. ओके? गिव मी एनी डाउट? एनीवन? एनी कंफ्यूजन? नो? ठीक है. हो गया ना? यस. ये ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है गाइस. एक बार जरा करिए और मुझे फाइनल आंसर दीजिए. दिस टाइम यू हैव टू टेल द आंसर. What will be the LCM? 360, correct. 360 will be the LCM, correct.
So,
Because of 60 degrees.
Okay, wait. A, B, C together is 60. ठीक है. What about A?
sir, 120,
120.
180,
Okay. 360. तब तो यार ये वही वैल्यू आ रही है फिर तो हैं. यूनिट्स जो उसमें आई थी वही इसमें भी आ रही है मुझे लग रहा है ना. 3, 2, 1 यही आ रहा है ना. 3, 2, 1 उसमें भी आ रहा था और 6 इसमें भी आ रहा था, राइट है ना. ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर हो गया. ओके ठीक है, मैं आपको ऐसा एक और क्वेश्चन देता हूँ थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट. गाइस, anyone in the class who is not able to solve this question? Anyone in the class? निकोलस आपका हो गया है, वेरी गुड. आदित्य हो गया है. Anyone in the class who is not able to solve this question? Vimi, could you solve this? Good, very good. All right. So everyone, that's great guys. That's really great. ठीक है. Let's take one more question. And this is going to be the last question for the day, right? Just read it and try to solve it. Yeah. Yes, everybody.
So 12 and 24.
What? Question is, in how many days? A and C means working together. A plus C you have to find. 8. Okay. Huh?
6 and 8.
In how many days A and C finish it working together? I mean A plus C you need to find, guys. Okay, read the final question statement always.
Sir, A and C can work together or
क्वेश्चन तो पढ़िए. आपने सेपरेटली निकाल दिया. A and C working together. आपका कितना रहे? अच्छा कर रहे हैं अभी, कर लीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. Shreya Jade is saying it is 8. All right. 8. Okay. कमल आपका भी 8 आ रहा है. Okay. ठीक है. कोई डाउट है? Yes everyone, shall we discuss? हाँ. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, आप समझिए. इस बार what they are asking A plus C. In previous questions or in earlier questions of such type, they used to give us A plus C, right? This time they have asked A plus C. So just look at the data of the question. A plus B working together 8 days. B plus C working together 12 days. And A plus B plus C working together, right? ये लिखा हुआ है ना. 6 days. ठीक है. Now friends, just take the LCM of these three numbers. What is the LCM? 24. This is what? 3, this is 2, this is 4. Alright. Guys, this is 3, this is 2, this is 4. So friends, till now, what we have done, just think on it. Till now, what we have done? Till now, we have done like this. A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. And what we have got? Twice of A plus B plus C. Guys, yes or no? In the previous questions, we were doing this. Right? So in this question, they have asked C plus A. Fine. So put the value. A plus B is what? 3. B plus C is what? 2. C plus A has been asked. So obviously it is question mark, not given. And this is what? 2 into 4? 8. Guys, it is clear. So 3 plus 2 is 5. C plus A is equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. Right? So this implies C plus A working together will be doing 3 units work in one day. So total is what? 24. 24 divided by 3, which is 8. Right, everybody? Correct? Guys, any doubt? So C plus A working together will be doing the total work in 8 days. Right? Okay. Good. Very good. Any doubt, guys? No?
सेपरेट निकाल के प्लस कर देना.
सेपरेट निकाल के कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हो जाएगा. लेकिन उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. ये सिंपल है. राइट? इट्स नॉट नीडेड. एक्चुअली थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाएगा. कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. यस, एवरीवन फाइन नाउ. हाँ, आप सिर्फ सोचते रहिए क्वेश्चन के बारे में, सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक. कोई भी बड़ी से बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो, राइट, आप उसको सोचिए तो सॉल्व हो जाएगी. लेकिन हाँ, सोचिए बहुत ऑनेस्टी के साथ. एक एक बात उसके बारे में समझिए पहले. राइट? यस. सो आज इतना ही रखते हैं गाइस. हाँ, एंड लेट्स मीट टुमारो एट 10:30 शार्प. ठीक है, कमन. All right, so everyone, that's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.